So yeah, I just bought a car. Yeah, this car definitely makes a lot of noise. It's really loud.
It's kind of rough. So we need to get in there, clean everything. You need to give it a good wax.
Yeah, I'll take care of it.
Yeah. But
probably try to clean up the headlights a little bit too.
Yeah, kind of
Yeah.
clean up the headlights. Yeah, you can see how it really needs to be.
Alright, what's up guys? My name is Patrick and today I just bought a new car. So you guys originally thought that I was going to buy an FRS. I actually almost did. I really did almost buy one. I'll make a video explaining kind of why I didn't, because there's reasons. But now this is my 2003 Mazda Miata. So this is an NB Miata. The reason why I got an NB is for a couple reasons. The chassis is a little bit better, and also it comes with a 1.8 liter VVT engine, which makes a lot more power and is all around just kind of better. Not to mention, if we go inside, it has like an actual interior. It's got like things that people would use, so it's pretty cool. It's a lot nicer than an NA, and I'm really glad that I got an NB because it's a lot of fun. So I got it in red. I don't like red. You know what? You win some, you lose some. It's still a really clean car, but yeah, not a fan of the red. But I don't know. Maybe one day we'll fix that. 5-speed manual. Obviously, that's the only transmission that should be in Miatas. Stock wheels. It's got some really shitty tires on it, so I'm gonna have to trade those pretty quickly. The headlights actually have a fair bit of fog in them, so I'm gonna try here. I don't know if you can see that very well, but they do have fog in them. So I'm gonna try to fix those. I already kind of fixed. There's a hole in the soft top. Fixed that with some duct tape, and that seems to be good for now. Apart from that, the paint needs a little bit of work. I'm gonna do a detail and make it look nice. But yeah, it's completely stock, nothing done to it. It has about 66,000 miles. So yeah, the reason why I'm making this video is just to give you guys a little like intro to this build. I'm gonna be going over more in depth what I'm gonna be doing in the car. I'm gonna try to stay more organized than my GTI build, because that was just all over the place. But yeah, I'm really excited. It's a fun car, and I'm really excited. I have one more week at school, and then I'm gonna start tearing into this thing and making it cool. So that's going to wrap up today's video. It wasn't a good video. I promise I will put in more effort for the other videos. If you're interested in the car, please subscribe. It's gonna get pretty insane in a little bit. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just let me know. And yeah, give me a week and I'm gonna make something really cool. All right. See you guys.